Hey everybody, welcome into Rock Painting 101. I am back with another quick and easy acrylic Christmas tree painting tutorial. I've got this simple zigzag style tree. We're using our metallic paints again to give it a fun Christmas shimmer. Super simple to follow along with this tutorial, so I hope you enjoy. All right, so we are going to work on a super simple, I call this a zigzag Christmas tree. I actually have a kids craft where we do this with paper and it looks really neat. And I thought it'd be a fun, simple, quick rock that you can make for Christmas. So I've got some metallic green up here and I've just got a 10/0 liner style brush. And we're just gonna draw a zigzag tree. So you're gonna get your paint on here. And I like to start at the top and work my way down. So you're literally going to go off to the left, off to the right, off to the left, all the way down your tree. Until you get to the bottom of your rock. You want to progressively make it wider. I like to kind of have the edges kind of curl up a little bit as I go down. Like that. And then I usually have it just end going off into one direction. Now you can extend the points. It's fun because that's where you're going to be able to put some decorations. And just kind of play with it just a little bit. There we go. Now you can pick whatever colors you want to use for your decorations, but I'm just going to use the back side of my paintbrush for the bulbs. So I've just got gold and red over here. So I'm just going to get a little bit of those over back here in my container, and we will decorate this tree. Oh, I got way too much red. Thanks. All right, so you just take the back side now of your brush, go right into that color. If you have dotting tools, you can grab them too, but I already have my brush out. Right into that color, and we're gonna add ornaments, and I like to put them hanging, so you don't wanna actually put them on the green. You'll put them along your tree, and we'll attach them here in a little bit. Leave room for more than one color. I'm going to do 2 colors, so I'm trying to space them according to that. Like that. Wipe off the end of your brush really well. And now I'm going to do my red dots. Okay, littlest bit of brown to give our tree a trunk. So we're going to come right off the bottom here, and I'm just going to do about the same thickness as my zigzag line. And this is a metallic brown as well, so all these colors are from the same pack. So we'll go like that. A little dash here. There we go. Okay, now our ornaments are still drying. I am going to grab just one of my little micron pens to complete these ornaments so I can get a nice tiny little line. If you do have a liner brush, you might be able to have a steady hand for it. I just know that I'd have a hard time. I've got a few extra spots I want to add in a few more ornaments. Fit one in there. And I think one down here, the other side of that trunk. Now at the top of the tree, I'm going to wait until this dries a little bit more. I want to add a nice little golden star as well. But we'll let this dry and we'll be back. Okay, now we don't want to leave our ornaments just floating in space. I mean, you could if you wanted to, but I don't want to. So I'm grabbing one of my micron pens. Like some of them come in a pack with different sizes. So this is an O2. If you have a PN one, that would work as well. The main thing with these are you got to be very gentle with them. And you also want to make sure, you'll see me doing this a lot in this, I doodle the tip off to the side often, because if you get any dust in there and it dries in there, it will dry out your pen. So I'm just going to start at the bottom here on the right hand side, and I'm just going to create the littlest little line that holds our ornaments to our tree, one of them at a time. You'll see some of them hang higher, some of them hang lower. Kind of how a real tree is, right? So I'll speed this up a little bit. Okay, now last but not least, I want to put a star on the top of the tree. Now drawing a tiny star on top of a tree with a liner brush is not something that everybody can just do, super simple. So I'm going to show you a trick to make, a shining star on top of the tree without all the extra specific details. So I'm going to start by just putting a circle here at the top, or kind of an oval. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Okay, and now I'm just gonna pull like it's radiating a little bit right from the center. Just this little bit of, just like that. So it doesn't actually have to be the perfect star, because if it was a perfect star, it'd be glowing. So once you have the main parts pulled, then you just pull 5 and it will turn into kind of a star for you. Do you see that? So I'm pulling out 5 points, and then you end up with a star that's kind of shining on top of your tree. I don't even mind adding a couple little like extra glows of the gold after you wipe off most of it. There we go. All right. Isn't that fun? And I love the shimmer that these metallic paints give you. So, super simple tree. I've got a few more of them coming soon. So make sure that if you haven't already, that you subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and I hope you give this one a try. Bye-bye now.